Do you know that instead of saving money in a bank or doing daily contribution that I call Ajo, Akawo or Orida, you can actually make money work for you every single day without stress, without losing control, and you can still withdraw at any time. In this video, I will be showing you how to start investing in a money market mutual fund here in Nigeria. We will be going to be covering how it works, what it is, the profit you are going to be expecting, and the common mistakes to avoid and how to get started. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to be showing you the screen recording on how you can get registered, monitor your dashboard, and how to you can also invest. It is a mutual fund. Let's start from the basics. A mutual fund is simply a pool of money collected from different people and they invest it in a thing like treasury bills, bonds, or fixed deposits. So instead of investing that 10,000 naira alone and start earning small, your money joins with thousands of other persons and professionals in this field helps to invest it for you and get better returns for you. So that is mutual fund. It's just like a basket where everybody throw in money. Then the professionals will now invest this money either in treasury bills, in bonds, or in fixed deposits. So let's continue. Types of mutual fund. There are different types of mutual fund. There are many of them depending on your goals. But in this video, I'll be just mentioning a few of them. We have equity bonds. This one requires high risk and definitely is going to give you high reward. So if you're a good risk taker, you can go into equity fund. Number two is bond funds. Here you invest in government or company bonds to yield your interest. Then number three is balance fund. The fund is a mix of both of equity and bond. Then, but the one we are going to be focusing on today is money market mutual fund (MMMF). This is the lower. It has a low risk and it pays steady returns. Very perfect for beginners. So I'm going to go ahead to explain to you what money market mutual fund is and how you can get started. So you might ask, what is this money market mutual fund? This is one of the safest, easiest way to grow your money. Your money is invested in a short-term, long-risk instrument that earn daily income, daily interest for you. You can start small, you can withdraw at any time, and your profit grows automatically on a daily basis, depending on your capital, depending on how much you invest. So we have several organizations, the financial industries in Nigeria that do this money market. I'll list a few of them, 10 of them, and there are more. We have the likes of Mansard, which is the one I use. I will explain further on that. We have Stanbic IBTC, ARM, FMB Quest, United Capital, Zenith Bank, Zenith Bank, Meristem, Cowrywise, PiggyVest, InvestWise, even Sterling Bank does that. There are a lot of them. So personally, I use Mansard, and their interest rate currently is about 18 to 12, 18 to 22 per interest per year. It depends. The money varies. It varies and is not steady. So between 18 to 22% of whatever you put is the interest you're going to be getting, and which is far higher than you saving the money in your savings account. Now, before I go further, I want to explain something very tricky here. I don't know if you have heard about Ajo, Akawo, Ridara, all those people that used to go around working, collecting 1,000, 5,000, 200 from customers. Damn, now let's be honest. Many Nigerians still do Ajo and Akawo to save their money. Yes, it helps you to stay disciplined, but the disadvantage there is too much. So there's no record, there's no insurance, and the collector can die. He can also run away with your money, and your money is gone. You can also earn zero interest. And I knew when my sister was doing that, Akawo, if she's doing 1,000, the first 1,000 for that month is for the person collecting it. You see, you're not even getting any interest. You're even losing money for doing that. It's just that it gives you discipline. But what if I told you that there is a way you can invest your money daily and still get interest on top? I personally stopped doing ajo contribution in the office and all of that when I discovered money market fund. So the money I used to use to do contribution, I now use it, I send it to my mutual fund account, and it grows daily profit for me. And I don't even wait till, in ajo you have to wait till it gets to your turn before you take your money. But now I can invest any day, anytime, any minute. It can be in weeks, it can be on daily basis. Anytime I have money that is idle, I push it into my mutual money fund, and it will be yielding interest for me. Instead of letting your money sit idle or at risk of being lost, you can let it work for you safely through an investment that is regulated by the Security and Exchange Commission. But with money market mutual fund, your money is safe and insured. You can earn up to 18 to 22 or even more interest yearly. You can withdraw at any time. You don't need to wait till your turn for contribution before you carry. They say, it's not my turn. No. In mutual fund, you can withdraw at any time. And also, you can monitor everything that is going on, how your return is coming on your dashboard, either through the app of the company or in their website. So for me, this is a smarter move. So what are the advantages of money market mutual fund? Number one, it has low risk and is very flexible. You can deposit anytime, you can withdraw anytime. Number two, you can earn better interest than savings account. How much is bank paying you for that money in that account? Why not pull it and put it into your mutual money fund account to be giving you interest on daily basis? And you can start with as little as 5,000. Can start as little as 5,000, but the more money you have there, the more your interest is. You can't compare who has 5,000 in a mutual fund account to somebody that has 10 million in the mutual fund account. So we are going to do the calculation later on to see how you are going to be earning money from it. Now it's managed by professionals, and you get to see your growth on a daily basis. All right. So, and also your money is paid into your capital every quarter. At the end of 3 months, all the interest that your money yield will be added to your capital if you don't want to withdraw it. And it means that your interest will be giving you more interest. You'll be making more money for yourself. So how do you get started? You go to the official website of any mutual fund company you prefer, as I listed before. Then you create your investment account. You need to verify your account using your BVN, your ID card, your utility bill, just like when you are opening a normal account with a bank. So you need all of that. Then after which you've created your account, you can fund your wallet either through bank transfer, or you can use your card and you start investing. You can even automate it on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, depending on your income. You can set standing orders, yes, that each at this particular date, so amount should leave your account and go to your mutual fund. You can discuss that with whoever that is depending on the company you choose. If you walk into a bank, they can set a standing order on your account that can be showing you how your money can move from your normal account to your investment account. So that is that, and I'll still show you how to do that when I'm showing you the screen recording. Now, before you get started, here are some mistakes you need to avoid. Number one, you need to, first of all, you have to, any app, any platform you choose, make a detailed research to know all their policies and what you need to know about them. Don't invest and forget. Don't just put your money there and forget. Check your dashboard once in a while. Download the app of that company and monitor your interest. See how much you make every day. And don't forget you have that. So number two, you don't rush to withdraw your profit. Allow it to compound. Like me, I don't touch my mutual fund account. What I do, if I receive my salary, I have a percentage that is going to my mutual fund, and I also have emergency account, and also have my daily expenses. So instead of me to be touching my mutual fund account, touching my interest, touching my capital, I will fall back to my emergency fund to be spending money from there, unless in a rare case where there's no alternative. But I will not advise you to be withdrawing every day. It will affect your income and the interest you are getting. And again, do not use borrowed money. Invest what you can capably set aside. It can be 20,000 every month, it can be 10,000 every month, it can be 100,000 every month. Depends on your income and how you make your money. All right. So another thing you should know is that you should take note and make sure the company you are using is SEC registered. What do I mean? It's security. It has security and exchange commission. These companies, Mansard, Stanbic, all of that, they all have that. So confirm anyone you select, they are registered, so that you know to avoid the story that touches. So you talk about the profit margin and the current interest rate now. As I'm planning and doing this video, currently most money market funds in Nigeria is around 18% to 22% per year. So that's a very big money. So if you invest 100,000 naira, you are sure of getting 18,000 to 20,000 as profit without stress, without risk. Now let's assume that you have 10 million. If you have 10 million in your mutual account, you see that at the end of the year, you are sure of getting 1.2 or 2.2 thousand million without stress, without risk. Just sleep and it will be accumulating. Now, is that not far better than savings account or even doing a job that there is no interest? So that's why you should look into doing this money mutual fund. All right. So before I get this video to the end, I'm going to attach a screen record on how to get registered. I use Mansard as for my mutual money market account. My husband uses Stanbic. I have a lot of people that use Stanbic, use cowries and all of that. Make your research and choose anyone you want. But if you want to get started with Mansard, there is a link in the description where you can register and start create your account and fund your wallet and start making your interest. So I'm going to show you a screen record where you can get registered, how to monitor your dashboard, how to see your interest, and also how you can withdraw. So make sure you watch this video to the end to see this part, and it's very very interesting.
All right, so when you go to azamaza.com, you click on investment, it will take you to this page. Or better still, just use the link in the description. It will take you to this page directly. So what you get, once you get to this page, you're going to click on invest now. You see this invest now here. You click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you a page where you can do your registration. So all you need to do is to fill your email address, phone number, password, username, agree to their terms and conditions. Then you click on proceed. Once you are done with that, it's going to take you to a page where you can log in, which is a page like this. Once you get to this page, you log in with the details you created. And I'm logging in to my page now. So you're going to see a platform like this. I have other policies I do in this with this as a Mansard, but today we're not going to talk about all of that except the money market investment. So once you get to this page, you see this page. This is where your money market details is. This is for another policy. I have account there, but I'm not going to talk about that today. So if you look at this page, you see some deposit I've made on the 10th, on the 16th, on the 29th of last month. And so all the payments I made is in my history. So let's click and see the details on how it works and what you need to take note on. So if I click on view details, it will open to me like this. I'm sorry, I'm not going to be showing my account for security reasons. Don't mind me. Okay, so on this page, you'll be seeing on the norms, this place will show you your how much you have, your book balance, and the accumulated interest for the month. So this your accrued interest will be there for 3 months, and after each quarter, the money that is here will be moved to your account, and there will also be interest coming from that. So that is that on how you're going to get to the details of your account. So on daily basis, you can actually come in this your accrued interest. If you click on it now, it will open. I don't want to click on it to see, I don't want you to see how much I have there. Don't mind me. So if you click on it, it will show you the interest on a daily basis, how it looks like, how much you're earning on a daily basis. Depends on how much you have there. You can be earning 2,000, 1,500 naira in it. So that is that. If you want to pay into your account, you can click on this contribute to pay. It will open a page where you can pay with your card or no, or do your bank transfer. But I don't use that to pay into my wallet. You can also withdraw your fund from here. If you want to withdraw your fund, you can click here and fill the form, and the money is paid to your account within 48 hours. So if you look down here, you will see where you have account details. This is my account details. If I want to fund my wallet, there is a bank called Round Merchant Bank. That is where my account is. I just click on this. I copy my account number. If you like, copied, don't pay money to this account. So if you decide to bless me, you can put money there for me. That is my mutual fund account. So what I did is just to copy this, go to my bank app, transfer any amount. It can be 10,000, it can be 100,000, it could be any amount. So once you transfer it, before they will credit your main account, you'll be seeing it in your book balance. You'll be seeing that amount you transferred. You'll be seeing it on your book balance. And the weekdays, within 24 hours, if it's a working days, the money will be going to your main account. And beneath here, when you're filling your form, you're going to fill in the bank, Nigerian bank, that you want to be getting your money from. Like if tomorrow I want to liquidate or I want to withdraw, is this my Fidelity account that the money will go into? So when you're filling your form, you're going to fill a bank where they can pay in your money at maturity or whenever you liquidate. So that is that for now. That is that for that. If you go down, you see a list of my transactions, all the money that I've thrown into this uh, mutual fund account. As I said, I pay in any money anytime I have money. So everything is transparent. You can print to look at your bank statement and all of that. And they have a lot of other investments you can invest on, equity income, dollar bond, and all of that. But today we are discussing on money market. So you see, it's a very simple thing to do. You can transfer to this account any day, anytime. So let's go back to our video, and I know you can do this.
So now you have seen how it works, how you can invest, and I know you got you got something at the end of this video. So if you are ready to make money to work for you, there is a link in the description box to get started. Don't let your money sleep. Let it multiply for you. So if you found this video helpful, and please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notification bell so that I don't miss my next video on smart ways you can grow your income offline or online. Don't forget to follow this video and use the description button to create your account. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.